It has never been so easy to make your staircase unique. Today I will tell you how to do it. You will need the Smart Stairway SL281X ARGB Wi-Fi controller. The controller is made in miniature cases made of aluminum profile for embedding in a wall in a 22 mm wide groove. It consists of two modules, master module with a laser rangefinder, light sensor. The LED strip is connected to this module. Slave module with a laser rangefinder. It has a wireless connection to the master module and only requires a power connection. Choose the profile that suits you for the LED strip. In this video, we consider installation in the wall in a pre-prepared groove. Mark the place for the groove for installing the aluminum profile for the LED strip. If the wall is made of plasterboard, the groove can be simply cut with a knife. For wooden walls, you need to use a milling cutter. If the repair work has already been completed and you do not want to spoil anything, just select the controllers in the case for surface mounting and the profile for LED strips for surface mounting. Install the LED box into the groove in the wall. Glue the profile surface with insulating tape to prevent short circuit of the LED strip to the metal. Glue the LED strip. Connect the master module and the wireless laser slave module. The slave module can be powered directly from the LED strip. Connect via Wi-Fi to the web interface of the master module and set the type of LED strip used, the order of color channels, the number of pixels. Set the desired operating modes and lighting parameters. Check the result. Everything is ready.